Hey, I'm Dominique from OBehave, and today we are hanging out with Wolverine, and we're also learning about how to use one of our brand new calming cards.
Got the camera.
Do you think Wolverine might want to have a go of one of these? So this card that we've got today is inspired by progressive muscle relaxation.
I love the potion one.
Which one do you love? The potions one? Well, maybe we can do that one next, Wolverine.
Okay.
So to use this card, hey, do you think maybe you could try and help me show everyone how we use this card?
Yeah.
So this is the squeeze fist card. So what you need to do is you need to squeeze your fists together as hard as you can.
Well, I'll show you so.
And then you let go. And then let go. And then you do it one more time. So this one is one that you repeat 3 times. Squeeze your fists together and let go. How do you feel after that?
Calmed.
You feel
It's a
calm?
calming card.
The squeeze fists card is particularly helpful because it helps to release tension and to help your child
Mr. Dad.
feel calmer. Practicing your calming technique doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if it looks kind of like it did in our video, and if your child finds their own way to practice their calming technique.
Hello.
And it's okay if it takes less than a minute.
Hello.
Remember that the most important time to practice calming techniques with your child is when they are calm. This is so that they have the calming techniques practiced and ready for their less than calm moments. Calming cards are designed to teach lifelong calming skills that can be drawn on when needed without the continued prompt of the card.
Hello.
To order your set of calming cards, head over to www.parentingtherapy.com.